It's another ride today going to Lusail. So kasama natin ngayon ang Xiaogang group. So sila yung nag-organize ng ride ngayon. So may mga kasama tayong mga Xiaomi today. Yun ang grupo nila, Xiaogang, dito sa Qatar. So thank you to Xiaogang for inviting us sa ride na ito. So another morning ride for
Nakapido na rin pala ng loko.
Aba?
Putang ina. Kasi araw mo.
Sabi ko, nagulat ako siya nag-post eh. Aba? Good morning. Good morning. Morning. So it's another morning ride. Kasama natin ang mga taga Xiaomi gang. So shout out sa mga Xiaogang. Dahil nun birth nila, may upuan na oh.
Baby, I'm calling for you, and I'm stuck in a loop. Baby, I'm calling for you, and I'm stuck in a loop. Baby, I'm calling for you, and I'm stuck. Baby, I'm calling for you, and I'm stuck in a loop.
Hello guys, it's me again, Dems, giving another video. So today, nagkaroon ng invite yung Xiaogang para mag-ride. And thank you sa Xiaogang for inviting us. So ito, kasama natin ang Xiaogang dito sa Lusail. Another Lusail ride. So today, medyo madami-dami kami. May kasama kami mga Xiaomi. So yes, it's a mix scooters today. May stand up, saka seated scooters, feeder scooters, Kaabu, Xiaomi, ano pa ba mga nandito. So marami pang iba. So again, thank you sa Xiaogang for inviting us para sa ride na to. And I believe papunta rin yung mga jackpot dito. Hopefully dumating sila. Guys, tara, karak. Karak tayo.
Sabi yung binili ni Aiba, yun ka ang bayar. Sabi ko, sino ba ang unang bumili sa iyo?
Oh. Ako nag-marketing nun yung sa kanya.
Pinunta namin nung kinukuha na namin ginagawa pa niya. Sabi niya, maming gabi na namin.
Tara guys, karak tayo.
Ito ngayon.
Social to passion fruit eh.
One more time and one more night without your hands, without me in your arms. Looking back, I wonder why I didn't show you how deep is my love. Let's talk about love. Tell me, what do you like? Tell me, where do you wanna see me naked? Let's talk about love. Tell me, what do you like? Tell me, what do you love? Let's talk about let's talk about let's talk about
Dito pala kami pupunta. Sa may Winter Wonderland. Not allowed?
Pagka gumanon na ako, wala na. Ganuhin ko.
Bawal na daw?
Hindi, nandun yung mga sasakyan ng F1.
So para maiba, lumipat kami ng lugar. Dito kami sa may Almaha Island. Supposed to be, pupunta kami doon. Kaso hindi kami pinayagan kasi nandun daw yung mga F1, mga Formula 1 na mga sasakyan. Magpapa-breakfast ka? For the record, magpapa-breakfast ka, sir?
Oo naman.
Ito si Master ang pagbabalik ni Master. Shout out kay Mrs. mo.
Shout out. See you after 1 week.
See you. Manang, see you after 1 week. Master to mga to Asa yung kwan ko? Jack Ford ko. Soon.
La 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 la. Let's talk
Papa-breakfast daw
I'm gonna be better than you thought. I promise I won't jealous. You don't deserve it all. I'm gonna be better.
So yan, ang dami namin ngayon. So ito is composed ng chili gang, Jack Ford, Xiao gang, Team Humid, Team Gear 1, ESQ.
Let's talk about
Hello guys, so nandito na kami sa may McDonald's Binumran. Time check is 6:11. So kakain lang kami ng konti, may breakfast kasi maglilibre si Sir Yek ng burger yata pa breakfast. So thank you Sir Yek. Dito ko na tatapusin tong video na to. If you are new in this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell for new video updates. And see you again for our next ride. Ciao!
one more time.